Hey guys, so today I've got a new box to show you that I have never had before. I can't really show you the top because it's literally covered in like address labels and stuff, but it's called Bats and Bones. So this is an American box and you can either buy it as a one-off or you can buy it on a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription. So if you want it just as a one-off box, it's $30 plus shipping, and if you buy it on the subscription it does work out a little bit cheaper. So the more of a subscription you buy, the cheaper the box is basically. So like I said, this is an American box. I'm not too sure on how much the shipping is to the UK, but after this video I will go work that out and put it on the screen here how much it costs to the UK, and I will put it in the description below as well. I do also have a coupon code for this as well. If you buy it off Cratejoy at the minute, there is a code for 10% off, which is fall10. Again, I will put that here on the screen now in case anyone wants to get a bit of money off. But yeah, let's just open this and see what's inside. Now I have opened the box just to check that the items weren't broken because it did come a little bit battered, but everything seems to be okay and I've not looked really what is in it. So I'm kind of seeing it at the same time as you. I'll show you quickly what it looked like. So this is how it arrived, like this. So the first thing right on the top, which is the item I was worried about that was kind of sticking out a little bit, is this tumbler. So this says, show off your witchy vibes all year long by adding your favourite hot or cold drink. So let's see what this looks like. Now at first I thought this was a Starbucks one just because it's kind of got that design, but it is just like a one that they've made or had made. So it looks like this, and it says Crafty Witch on the front in that kind of Starbucks circle. It's got a clear straw. I have got a million of these, so I'm not sure I needed another one, but pretty cute though. And I like that it's purple as well because that's like my favourite colour. So that is our first item. Next we have this, which I'm going to assume is a spell kit. It doesn't say anything, but it does say in the little like menu thing that there's a spell kit in it, so I guess that's what this is. So in here we have a little bit of like a parchment paper stuff. We've got some garlic clove. It says used for protection against dark supernatural forces, repelling negativity and heart health. So this is literally just garlics. You could literally like plant that and probably grow some garlic with that if you wanted to. Does it smell? Not really. I assumed that that would smell for some reason, but it doesn't. So there is that. There is this, which has the little label covered, which is a bit annoying, but it says rosemary, I think. So I had to kind of take the little thing out of here a bit because it was all covered up, but it says it's used for banishing evil influences, purification, memory / concentration, and clear thinking. So that is our little bag of rosemary. And then the next one we have is Coarse Sea Salt. And again, it's covered up, so I will take the little slip out and see what it says. It says used for casting circles, protection, cleansing and purification. So that is those, and on the little card it does say it comes with a scroll. So that is this. So on here, okay, so this tells you how to use each of the items for different spells. So there is a renewal spell, a spirit cleansing spell, and a threshold protection spell. I'm not going to read this out because it's really long, but I will hold it up in case any of you want to pause and read that if you possibly can. I know that it's really tiny, so I'm not sure how focused that's going to be. You might not be able to read it. I apologise if not, but that's the little scroll that came with that spell anyway. Next we have a 7-herb spiritual bath. It says it's clearing and empowering, energetic cleansing bath infused with 7 herbs, essential oils, Epsom salts and Himalayan salts. This stuff smells amazing. You can smell this kind of like throughout the box. It's very citrusy. Let's see if it says anything on here. It says it's bath salts with berry essential oils, It will relax you while cleansing your aura. It doesn't really smell of berries to me. It smells kind of like lemon and lime or something. But that is our little bag of bath salt anyway. Then next we've got just a little white tea light. I'm going to assume this is maybe something to do with the spells or something. I didn't read the scroll, but I'm going to guess that that's kind of what that's for. We have a little necklace in here, which has a heart that says witch on the bottom. I'll get this out so you can see what it looks like better. Okay, so it's quite a long necklace. It'll hang maybe about here. And it just looks like this. It's kind of like a hand stamped silver sort of thing. So there is that. Then we have a little notebook and pen. This is very, very cute. This is the book from Hocus Pocus. It's just like a little plain lined notepad, and then we've got a little broomstick pen to go with it as well. So there is those, and then we've got kind of, I would say, maybe the main items left. So there is this, which is, oh, that's cute. Okay, so this is a little kind of like a, well, it says cauldron. I'm not necessarily sure that looks too much like a cauldron, but it says Hocus Pocus on this little charm here at the front, and it's just kind of like a ceramic bowl. It says dishwasher, oven and microwave safe, so that is very, very cute, because then you could make stuff in it. You could, like, I don't know, make like a little pie in the cauldron, or, you know what would be really cute? You could make mug cakes in this. You know, like how people make the cakes in the cups and put them in the microwave? Well, you could make like a little cauldron cake. Yeah, I like that it says oven and microwave safe on this, because I feel like you could get a lot of uses out of that. So that is our little bowl. And then, oh wait, no, there is another thing in here. We've also got this little like creepy zombie finger lollipop. And then the last thing in here is a Halloween face mask. So it says reusable, adjustable, washable, 3D, breathable and comfortable. This has little crystals on it, which is adorable. Love this. Very, very cute. Okay, I'll show it you in half first, and then I'll show you properly. So it's got little witch hats, cats, moons, stars, and then it's got these little crystals stuck all over it, and these little like adjustable ear bits. You can make it tighter or looser by moving that. Yeah, very cute. Doesn't have a pocket in case you want to put a filter on it. I know some people really like putting filters in these, but this is very cute. I'm going to try it on. Let's move these ear things so that I don't get lipstick all over it if I can help it, and see what it looks like. Very cute. Yeah, I like that. I think that's probably, I mean, for now, seeing as we're all wearing masks lately, I think that this and the little cauldron are definitely my favourite items in the box. But yeah, that was everything in this month's Bats and Bones box. The theme was Season of the Witch, apparently. I didn't tell you that before. But yeah, I will quickly go over everything again. So we got the Crafty Witch little tumbler, the Hocus Pocus book, notebook and little broomstick pen, the Silver Heart Witch necklace, the spell kit, the bath salts. This is going to be a hard one to put all in one hand because they're like chunky items. The little scroll and the tea light, which I'm assuming come with the spells. I'm not going to hold those. The fashion face mask, the little lollipop zombie finger, and the Hocus Pocus cauldron that you can like cook in and stuff. So all of these items plus the scroll and the tea light for the spell was in the Bats and Bones box. Like I said, I'll put all the info down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.